Several lawmakers gave their respective takes on today's National Rally for Peace conducted by the Iglesia ni Cristo or INC. Senate President Francis Escudero says there shouldn't even be a debate if the rally is held for peace and unity. He also added this is also his stand on the issue, and he believes this is also what majority of Filipinos want. For Senator Amy Marcos, the peace rally does not go against the separation of church and state, and the holding of such events is also not prohibited. In fact, she stated such activities even upholds the freedom of speech under the law. Several lower house Solons respect the move made by the INC.
Well, sa INC, no, lalo-lalo na yung ating mga kapatid sa INC. So ako po ay nirerespeto ko po yung inyong karapatan sa pamamahayag sa araw na ito. So karapatan naman ng bawat individual yung magpahayag, no, kung ano man yung kanilang mga saloobin.
Nakikisa naman po tayo sa peace rally ng INC. And lahat naman po yan ay karapatan ng ating pong mga mamamayan na magkaroon po ng maayos na paghahayag ng kanilang damdamin. So mabuhay po ang INC.